I'm a wedding planner by day, a mom, and a homemaker. Follow me in Sherilyn's world. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and check all. Let's go! Welcome back to my channel, Sherilyn's World. In this episode, we're going to learn the easy way to plant chili peppers of any kind. How many kinds of chili peppers have you encountered? I tried to Google it, but all it pointed is that there's an infinite number of variations of chili pepper because there are many crossbreeds and hybrids out there. You take your favorite knife. Here I have a Salad Master knife, which I got for free just by hosting a qualified cooking show. I'll provide a link and a phone number below so you can get free gifts too. Usually when we cook chili peppers, we throw away the core and the seeds. Instead of throwing it away, why not use it to make more chili peppers by planting them? So inside the core of the chili pepper, there are seeds. We're going to gently pull it out to avoid damaging the seeds. See all the seeds? So from one chili pepper, you can actually produce dozens of plants. Can you imagine that? And we will do the same process as this for all the breeds and the different kinds of variations of chili peppers. Just to caution everyone, with hotter peppers, you will want to use gloves because the oils and the heats of the peppers stick to your fingers for a few hours, and if you accidentally touch or rub your eyes, that will be a hot mess. So some fun facts and health benefits of eating chili peppers. So it has cardiovascular benefits by reducing blood cholesterol, lowers triglyceride levels, and dissolves blood clots. Cultures where hot peppers are used everyday cooking have a much lower rate of heart attack, stroke, and pulmonary embolism. Chili peppers also clears nasal congestion. Just take a bite of hot peppers and the heat stimulates fluid secretions that help clear mucus from your stuffed nose and congested lungs. It's also rich in vitamin C, which are good for our immune system, and my favorite, weight loss. So the heat produced in your body burns calories for up to 20 minutes after consumption. So even sweet chili peppers have that effect. But of course, the more you sweat, the more you burn. So here we have our last chili pepper. This one in particular is used in soups. I don't exactly know the name of it, but it's very popular in the Philippines in sinigang, and also they make a type of lumpia that's called dynamite lumpia. You put it with ham and cheese, deep fried. That is the best snack ever. So here I use loam soil for the base of the potting mix. Fill it up about 3/4 of the container. I'll put the link below where you can buy loam soil. Then sprinkle the chili pepper seeds in the pot and top it off with vermicast, which is worm castings. It's used as a natural form of fertilizer filled with live microbes to help the plant grow. I'll provide a link where I bought the vermicast in the description box below. It's so easy you can get your kids involved. Instead of making that trip to the grocery store to buy veggies, wouldn't it be great and exciting to use your own homegrown ones? Subscribe to my channel, Sherilyn's World, to see part 2 of this video, which would be transplanting the chili peppers and watching them grow. So we have an exciting raffle surprise. It's a limited edition gift. All you have to do is type in the comments section your favorite dish that you cook using any variety of chili peppers as an ingredient. When this video hits 1,000 views, we will do a live raffle. There's no limit on how many times you can comment, so the more comments you post, the more chances to win. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.